Ma. 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 Jeep Wave. Jeep Wave.
Okay, Jeep Wave. Now you can talk to me. What is
But you gotta stop doing this, Mom. This don't mean I can talk to you or not. Like, you taking this way too far.
You coming up on me?
Ma, you only Jeep Wave when you driving.
I'm driving because I'm out here doing something with the Jeep. But don't come up on me if you ain't gonna do the Jeep Wave first.
Jeep Wave.
Okay, now what is
We
it?
can talk now.
What? Go ahead. What is it?
Ma, why you got a brake on the Jeep?
Because it sound like I heard a little sound. Sound like I heard a sound.
So why you got the brake on the Jeep?
Because I wanted to see did the brick sound like what I had heard the sound. I wanted to see did it sound alike. That's what I want to do. Go ahead and move that brick. Go ahead and move that brick.
Ma, you are not a mechanic. Okay?
I'm a mannequin.
A what?
I'm a mannequin sometimes, Josh. I'm a mannequin sometimes. I'm a mannequin sometimes.
No. Mechanic.
Whatever it is, mechanic, mannequin, it all sounds the same to me.
They don't sound.
It sounds the same to me.
They kind of do sound the same.
Okay, all right.
Ma, why you got?
Huh?
Why you got this outside?
Because in case anybody come up on me or something out here, I'm out here trying to take care of what I'm trying to find here. That's just for protection. I ain't gonna hurt nobody. I'm not just gonna accidentally hurt nobody, but I got to have my protection right here. That's just for protection.
Ma, close the hood of this car, please.
Okay.
Ma, this don't even got a socket at the end of it, Ma.
But I was listening to the sound through the brick, but after you move the brick.
Ma, don't touch my tools.
Oh.
Don't touch my tools no more. We gonna close this. I want you to hold. I only want you to hold this, okay? I don't want you to hold it. We gonna close this as a family, okay? We gonna close this as a family.
But
okay, make sure you get your. What is that? What is that for?
That just depict the little size of it and stuff. You know the little size when you
really gotta join the Jeep Club.
yeah.